Imagine a tool that transforms every DIY project, every home repair, and even every artistic metal creation into a work of art. A tool so powerful and versatile that it quickly becomes the best friend of every welding enthusiast, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Today, I am going to talk to you about this marvel, the YesWelder. A welding machine, a 3-in-1 device that will revolutionize the way you weld. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order your own YesWelder A right now. This welding machine is the ideal tool for passionate DIY enthusiasts, maintenance professionals, and metal artists looking for a versatile and high-performance welding solution for their various projects. Its ease of use and advanced features make it perfect for those who want professional quality in their welding work, whether at home or on the job site. At the heart of this story is a welding machine designed to excel in all situations. Whether you are repairing a fence, working on a dream car project, or simply creating metal structures for your home, the YesWelder A is your ideal partner. Equipped with MIG, lift, TIG, and arc welding capabilities, this welding machine is unmatched. Imagine the ease with which you will be able to switch from one type of welding to another, making each task not only possible but perfectly achievable. One of the most impressive features of the YesWelder A is its synergic control. A simple adjustment of the amperage automatically adjusts the voltage and wire feed speed, ensuring a perfect weld every time. It's like having a welding expert by your side, guiding you through every step of the process. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. But the magic doesn't stop there. Safety is a top priority with the YesWelder A, which is equipped with protection against overheating, overcurrents, and overloads. This means that you can focus on your work without worrying about risks, knowing that your equipment is designed to look out for you. Versatility is another strong point of the YesWelder A welding machine. Compatible with 1 kg and 5 kg wire spools and recommended for the use of solid or flux cord wires of various sizes, the YesWelder A adapts to all your projects. Whether you want to perform a MIG weld with or without gas, this welding machine meets all your needs with unmatched efficiency. But that's not all. The design of the YesWelder A is both compact and lightweight, thanks to IGBT inverter technology, providing high power without compromising mobility. Imagine being able to take your welding machine to all your job sites without being weighed down by bulky equipment. This is the freedom of creation in its purest form, Yusen. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Every detail of the YesWelder A has been designed to provide you with an optimal welding experience. Ammeters and digital voltmeters for precise control, designed for spot or continuous welding. Each feature has been designed with the user in mind. And for those who love numbers, the YesWelder A stands out with its impressive technical specifications. It has an output current ranging from 20 to A for MIG, from 20 to A for MMA, and from 20 to A for TIG, all powered by a standard 230-volt outlet. Finally, when you choose the YesWelder A, you not only get a welding machine, but you also receive a MIG torch, a power cord, an electrode holder, a work clamp, and even a gas hose with brackets. It's a complete kit that ensures you can start welding right out of the box. Now, I suggest we summarize its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility. 3-in-1 allows for different types of MIG, TIG, and arc welding with a single device, providing great flexibility for various projects. Advantage number 2, synergic control. It simplifies the welding setup by automatically adjusting the voltage and wire feed speed according to the amperage, making it easier to achieve high quality results. Advantage number 3, compact and lightweight. Thanks to IGBT inverter technology, it combines high performance and portability, making it ideal for on-site work and tight spaces. Advantage number 4, safety protection, equipped with systems to prevent overheating, overcurrents, and overloads, ensuring safe use even for precise beginners. Advantage number 5, energy efficiency. The advanced design contributes to low energy consumption, which reduces long-term operating costs. Now let's move on to the few drawbacks. Number 1 being the learning curve. Despite the synergic control simplifying the settings, beginners may still encounter a learning curve. By familiarizing ourselves with the different types of welding and fine adjustments, we come to the end of our journey through the wonders of the YesWelder A. If you are ready to transform the way you weld, to undertake projects you never dreamed possible before, and to do all of this with unprecedented ease and safety, then it is time to take action. You can now click on the link in the description and order it at the best price right now. With that, I thank you for your attention and I hope to see you very soon.